happened?
It's only 80,000 baht per square meter.
What's so special?
It's a 2-bedroom on 30th floor.
Which project?
Niche Mono Bearing. This is a 50 square meter, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit on level 30. All the windows are facing southeast. Look at those white dots. That is Suvarnabhumi Airport. When I discussed the interior design with the owner, he chose blue color as Bangkok is a tropical country. Besides using blue color wallpaper, we also add in more blue elements, like we are using blue color vase, blue color decorative plants, and blue color cushions.
That's why you wear blue today.
Just a coincidence. This unit is for sale at 4 million baht, approximately 130,000 USD, and is only about 80,000 baht per square meter. In one of the video, we mentioned that it's a good idea to separate the kitchen and washing machine. So look at this unit. It is a very good example. It comes with some cabinet for laundry storage, and then like shelving to put all the detergents, and then this kitchen also comes with a sliding door. There is a ventilation fan inside. This is a very spacious kitchen, and this unit's layout is like a dumbbell because living room is in the center and both bedrooms are on the side. This is the master bedroom. It comes with an L-shaped window, a little bit L-shaped. Not really bigger. This unit is tenanted to an expatriate couple. The lease will be ending in February 2027. The gross ROI is 6.6%. It is in tip-top condition. The master bedroom is using 100% blackout curtains, L-shaped full-height wardrobe enhancing the storage space. The toilet and shower area are separated with individual glass doors. When someone is using the toilet, another person can take a shower or use the basin. Large windows design allow full of natural sunlight goes into the living room. This 4-feet bed is a custom-made item. It is not for sale in the furniture stores as 4-feet bed is not popular in Thailand. If you are a person who is spending a lot of time at home and prefer home-cooked food, you may love to have a spacious kitchen with plenty of counter space. After a walkthrough of the whole unit, let's find out what are the facilities in this project. Most of the facilities are located on the 8th floor. The total length of this infinity edge saltwater pool is 88 meters, including children pool and sand deck. The fitness room is equipped with a range of modern exercise machines and free weights. It allows the residents to enjoy complete workouts without leaving the building. A door alarm is for improving security and to warn the users to keep the door closed.
Just punch. Yeah, just punch.
You need a glove. All facilities are open from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. daily. Please read the rules and regulations before using to avoid paying unnecessary fines. Free Wi-Fi is available in all common areas. The snooker balls are given by the touristic person. High security system. The Sky Garden is located on the top level, as well as one of the co-working spaces. Residents could choose to use the one on 34th floor or another smaller one on 8th floor. Bearing BTS Station is just 250 meters away. It takes around 30 minutes to reach Asok area. Niche Mono Bearing is a freehold condominium. It was completed in year 2020. Total 339 units in a 34 floors building. The units that we are selling today is a 50 square meter 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit on level 30. The selling price is 4 million baht, approximately 130,000 USD. Contact us by WhatsApp or line chat if you are interested. We are Sophia and Komiko, the property agents and property agents in Bangkok.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, detail. You can't.
No, wait.
Go sit. Sit. Okay, sit down. Baby!
You're beautiful only this one. If I more you will say, my arms so big.